Welcome to our quick guide on lowering file size in OBS. Let's explore how to optimize your recording settings. First, choose the right bitrate. A lower bitrate means smaller file sizes but affects video quality. Find the balance. Next, select an efficient format. MP4 is preferred for its compact size without losing quality. Reduce resolution as needed. Lower resolutions lead to smaller files, but ensure it still fits your content's needs. Consider recording in a variable frame rate. This can optimize file size while maintaining smooth playback. Lastly, don't forget to use OBS's advanced settings for more granular control. Every bit helps. Now you have the tools to reduce your file size in OBS effectively. Test these methods out. Remember, preserving quality is crucial. Always review your recordings to ensure your standards are met. Practice makes perfect. Experiment with these tips over your next recordings for the best results. For more tips, subscribe and stay tuned. Your next recording could be just a click away. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share your experiences below. Happy recording! Together, let's make your video content sharper and more efficient.